right, y'all, we got some Subway for dinner tonight. Let me show y'all my order and everything that I got. Can I have a foot-long steak and cheese on Italian herb cheese bread, please?
Sure. How many sandwiches?
Just one. Can you like kind of layer it? Cause I'm gonna get another. I'm gonna get double of everything. So can you?
You want a double meat?
Yep.
For a steak?
Yep. Can you toast it like 10 seconds longer? Cause I'm gonna get a lot of sauce. Can we do pickles and a lot of banana peppers? A little bit more. And then can we do mayo? A lot of mayo. Can we do oil and oregano? Baja chipotle. Oh yeah, a little bit more, a lot of it. And then can we do ranch? A lot of it as well. And then the cheese sauce. A lot of that as well. What is that called? Is it just called cheese sauce?
Cheddar cheese sauce.
Cheddar cheese sauce? Okay, a little bit more of that. Can I get a little bit more? And then that'll be all. Period, y'all. So this is how that sub turned out. Y'all know we had to get it the J way. Of course, double meat, double cheese, extra sauce, baby. Yes. And then we also got not one, but 2 bags of chips. Why? Because one is never enough, baby. Yes. We got 2 jalapeno chips this time because they did not have the spicy dill pickle chips. I normally get 1 of each of those. But you know what? It ain't the end of the world. All right, y'all. And to drink, we got us a Gatorade Zero. And then, y'all, we also got 3 macadamia nut cookies warmed up. Yes. Oh, they falling apart. That's how I love my cookies. Period. Period. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Y'all, you gotta get the extra banana peppers. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hmm. I always forget to stir. Mm-hmm.